When one thinks of luxury automobiles, Mercedes-Benz invariably comes to mind. Synonymous with engineering excellence, innovation, and timeless design, the brand has long stood as a pillar in the automotive world. However, beyond the gleaming vehicles lies Mercedes-Benz Group AG, BGI, a company navigating the complexities of a rapidly evolving industry. As investors, understanding the nuances of this transition is crucial in assessing the stock's potential. Mercedes-Benz Group AG, formerly known as Daimler AG, is a German multinational automotive corporation headquartered in Stuttgart. The company is renowned for its premium vehicles and has a rich history dating back to the invention of the automobile. Today, it operates globally, producing luxury cars, buses, and trucks under various brand names. In recent years, Mercedes-Benz has embarked on a significant transformation, focusing on electrification, digitalization, and sustainability. This strategic pivot aims to position the company at the forefront of the future mobility landscape. However, this transition comes with its set of challenges, including fluctuating demand in key markets, technological disruptions, and intense competition. As of the latest reports, BGI has an EPS of approximately $2.39. This figure reflects the company's profitability on a per-share basis, providing insight into its earnings performance. The P/E ratio stands at 5.98, indicating that investors are willing to pay nearly 6 times the company's earnings for its stock. This relatively low P/E suggests that the stock may be undervalued compared to industry peers. In 2024, Mercedes-Benz reported annual revenue of approximately €145.59 billion, marking a 4.46% decline from the previous year. Net income for the same period was around €10.21 billion, down 28.4% year-over-year. These figures highlight the impact of global economic headwinds and shifting market dynamics on the company's financial performance. The company offers a trailing annual dividend yield of 5.65%, providing investors with a steady income stream. This yield is attractive, especially in a low-interest rate environment, and underscores Mercedes-Benz's commitment to returning value to shareholders. The fundamental metrics paint a picture of a company facing short-term challenges but maintaining a solid foundation. The attractive dividend yield and low P/E ratio suggest potential value for long-term investors willing to weather near-term volatility. Mercedes-Benz's debt-to-equity ratio is approximately 1.01, indicating a balanced approach to leveraging debt for growth while maintaining equity stability. The current ratio stands at 0.41, suggesting that the company's short-term liabilities exceed its short-term assets. While this may raise concerns about liquidity, it's essential to consider the company's strong cash flow generation and access to capital markets. In 2024, Mercedes-Benz generated free cash flow of approximately €11.92 billion. This robust cash flow supports ongoing investments in innovation and provides a buffer against economic uncertainties. Despite a lower current ratio, the company's healthy free cash flow and prudent debt management indicate financial resilience. Investors should monitor liquidity metrics but can take comfort in Mercedes-Benz's overall financial stability. The company experienced a revenue decline of 4.46% in 2024, reflecting challenges in key markets and the broader automotive industry's cyclical nature. Stock analysis. Net income decreased by 28.4% year-over-year, highlighting the impact of external pressures such as supply chain disruptions and changing consumer preferences. As of the latest data, Mercedes-Benz's market capitalization is approximately $56.35 billion, positioning it as a significant player in the global automotive sector. While recent growth metrics show a downturn, it's crucial to consider the company's strategic initiatives aimed at long-term expansion. Investments in electric vehicles and digital technologies may pave the way for future growth, albeit with short-term earnings pressure. The P/B ratio is approximately 0.55, indicating that the stock is trading below its book value. This could suggest that the market is undervaluing the company's assets, presenting a potential buying opportunity. The PEG ratio is currently unavailable, limiting the ability to assess valuation relative to earnings growth. However, the low P/E and P/B ratios imply that the stock may be undervalued, especially if the company can reignite growth. The valuation metrics suggest that Mercedes-Benz's stock may be attractively priced for value-oriented investors. The low P/B ratio, in particular, highlights potential upside if the company can navigate current challenges and return to growth. With a beta of approximately 0.95, Mercedes-Benz's stock exhibits slightly less volatility than the broader market. This characteristic may appeal to investors seeking exposure to the automotive sector with moderated risk. The stock's 52-week range is between $12.55 and $18.08, reflecting market fluctuations over the past year. The current price near the lower end of this range may present a buying opportunity for contrarian investors. The stock's performance metrics indicate potential for appreciation, especially if the company successfully implements its strategic initiatives. Investors should consider the timing of entry points to maximize returns. Mercedes-Benz Group AG stands at a crossroads, balancing its storied legacy with the demands of a rapidly evolving automotive landscape. The company's commitment to innovation, electrification, and sustainability positions it well for the future. However, short-term challenges, including declining earnings and market uncertainties, cannot be ignored. For investors, BGI offers a compelling mix of value and potential. The attractive dividend yield provides income, while the low valuation metrics suggest room for capital appreciation. Nevertheless, patience and a long-term perspective are essential, as the company's transformation will take time to materialize fully. Final verdict: if you believe in Mercedes-Benz's ability to adapt and thrive in the new automotive era, BGI may be a worthy addition to your portfolio. As always, conduct thorough research and consider your risk tolerance before investing. If you found this analysis helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more in-depth company breakdowns, and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you see Mercedes-Benz as a value play or a company facing insurmountable challenges? Let's discuss.